call a dramatic entrance.
Just what exactly is going on? I would like to speak with these so-called warriors.
You can't.
You
I mean,
must
they're in the
be
middle of a
the
top-secret
dragon
meeting right now,
warrior.
and they
And
really
you
should not be disturbed
must
now.
be kind.
Right, guys?
Beast of vengeance,
Oh!
maker of widows.
Could you excuse me, please?
Finally!
Wait,
Thank
please
you.
don't go.
Almost
I'm not
makes me
going
want to spare
anywhere.
your life.
What is
Oh, you want to
going
spare
on?
me? How about you spare me the chit chat? Alright, let's do this.
Oh, I know
I'm going to
it.
take your chi, then the chi of every panda in the
Chit chat.
in this
Chitty chitty chat. Where is it?
No, you can't go!
in the
I'm desperate! Really? I couldn't tell!
Come on, please.
Round them all up.
Master Slick is up to something.
Okay, please, time to put you down now. Get him off me! He's cutting off the circulation to my foot. Yes, do.
Please don't go. Stick down. I think I made it now. Drop the stick.
Oh no, it's true. You guys have all been turned green. Except for you.
Boy, you run
Mantis, you
fast for a
were
little
already
guy.
green.
Now?
This way. There. A bird.
Dumpling Squad. Ready? Go time.
Stop. My baby.
I got you!
Time for some takeout.
I can't see.
Over here, Mr. Jumpman.
Heavens, they're in trouble.
You got some
I don't know who you are either.
Noodle Squad.
Please, man, wake up! Wake up! Get ready to dance.
Oh, sweet.
A nice, tasty roll on a stick.
It's going to be okay, Doc.
I'm stuck. Put it out.
The caterpillar's using himself as
Oh, brain!
Oh no, Master Shifu.
Suck it in, Shifu!
And so
And on. Ow! My leg! Double dash defense! Left it! Right hand! We got this, son!
We got him now.
stop. Enough.
What is that?
That, my friends, is the sound of
Sorry, buddy.
blow.
Gotta send you back to the spirit realm.
Skadoosh.
Okay? Good enough?
Wait, it's working. No, no.
I'm in heaven!
No, it's not. Did Oogway teach you that little trick? Too bad. It only works on mortals. And I am a spirit warrior.